Welcome! In today's video, we're going to look at a brand new Telegram web update that gives more control to your group admins. If you've been wondering how to allow your group admin to delete stories on Telegram web right from your PC, this is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the process step by step in the simplest way possible. First, open Telegram web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that manages your group. Once you're on the main page, go ahead and open the group where you want to update the admin permissions. At the top of the page, you'll see the familiar three-line menu icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. From there, choose Edit, and then select Administrators. This is where you'll find the full list of all the admins assigned to manage your group. Now pick the specific admin you want to modify. When you click on that admin's name, a detailed permissions list will appear. Telegram recently added a new option here, and it's the one you need. It's called Delete Stories of Others. Simply check this box to give that admin the power to delete stories posted by other members. Once you've done that, don't forget the most important part. Click the tick icon at the top to save your changes. This ensures that the new permission is applied immediately. That's it! You've just allowed your group admin to delete stories directly on Telegram web using their PC. This update makes group management smoother and helps maintain control over what appears in the group's stories section.